Kubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Menteri Rangba Kajala Konrad Sangma henne kasisa jan kakhat nyotrik ujumang arhaja apusan ulalaj banjurib ya kajaka balajet bante ya ka Living Root Bridge Experience Center hawa lengkhat kabahap hapo kapin Ursula Subdivision East Khasi Hills District ya kani ka center latay da kabailot kabakot syaka nyopo Klur tingka kabakuntupru ya ka Living Root Bridge Experience Center bat kawaken Residential Music Retreat ha kani ka project kashnong maukurnat rang telyang bat kaminriang kin sya penrai bat pentrai lang kum ka trekking circuit bat kin danru kiwe ki jingte bakar pang nak benta kam jungok kai perthai u konrad ke sangma ulo angru balajiet ya kawa lengkhat kum ka jaka bante ya ka center namar ki Jingkieng jri ki bun tam ha ka te ka than ulaban rap ru bakawa ken music retreat kan ailat ya kinong wan jungok kai ban sno thu ban ngam jiliu ha ka jinglong jingman bat ka kerdan kariti ka dustur ukhasi
by May. So we should be able to hold the work by next one. This one is next year. Good. So we are here in Wallankat right now, where, as you can see, the Living Root Bridge Experience Center is going to come up. And the reason why we've selected this area is because the Living Root Bridge density is very, very high, one of the highest in the entire region and the state. And through this particular Living Root Bridge Experience Center, the tourists who come in will be able to understand the entire culture, the history, and the techniques and the different locations where these Living Root bridges are. And it will completely make the overall experience for the tourist even more special. So therefore, this is one of the very important projects for us. It's not just this. Apart from this, as you know, that there's an entire trek out here, which will be another experience for the tourist. Along this trek, there is the Jingkieng village also, which is known for its traditional music, where we will be putting up the music center, where people can go and train as well as experience the traditional and the local music out there. And therefore, this entire area is being built up as a complete circuit where people can come and experience the Living Root bridges, have the necessary facilities, and also experience it through these museums and these experience centers, where they'll be able to get complete knowledge about the history, culture, and the entire overall Living Root bridges of the state of Meghalaya. We are here now in this beautiful sacred groves in the Right Nongblai area, and it is more dense than any other sacred grove that I have seen. It's a great experience, and really the way the local people here have preserved the entire forest area, maintained it, is something that is really admirable. And we have come here to see how we can promote this entire area. As I was mentioning earlier, that we'll be putting up the experiential center for the Living Root bridges, which is just right above this particular sacred grove. And this entire area will be promoted from the tourism point of view, while maintaining the overall sanctity as well as the forest cover of this area, so that the sentiments of the local people are always kept in mind, while the experience for the tourists also is something special which they will not get anywhere in the world.